Fly anchor. Standard fastener for drywall. Made of 100% virgin nylon or polyethylene. Anti-rotation tabs prevent the anchor from spinning during installation. 3 sizes for use with drywall panels ranging from 4 to 32 millimeters thick. Maximum recommended load. Fly 3 anchor plastic. Use a 10 millimeter or 3/8 inch diameter drill bit. Insert the anchor into the hole. Position the object. Tighten the screw. When it's time to secure, choose the right anchor.